Hello guys, good morning to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to a latest weekend edition of weather analysis for this Saturday to Monday, October 14 to 16, 2023. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, British Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. And we would like to promote this product from Comunidad. This is the Climate Action Center. Those LGUs or companies that are interested to pursue their product, just go to our website typhoon2000.ph, click on the banner that shows Comunidad, and you will be forwarded to a Google form for you to fill up, and then upon submitting, Mr. Aaron Cabasal of Comunidad will contact you, or you can contact him directly at 0976-163-7245 or email him at aaron.cabasal@comunidad.co. So this is a great product for those who want a tool to fight this climate change scenario, and to have a climate resilient and low carbon economy. Just check out the Climate Action Center of Comunidad at our webpage typhoon2000.ph for more details. So let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GraphSat that we created yesterday, Friday, and it's valid until today, Saturday. And we have one super typhoon, Bolan, which is now accelerating towards the northeast, away from the Northern Mariana Islands. This super typhoon passed very near Guam and Saipan a few days ago, and it's now accelerating towards the northeast, away from these areas. Bolan has reached its peak intensity of 285 kph or 155 knots, and it's now starting to rapidly dissipate as it enters into unfavorable conditions of the Northwest Pacific. So it is likely that this system will become an ex-tropical cyclone, no longer tropical in nature, within the next 24 hours. And as this system moves away, the southwesterly wind flow will continue to affect the western sections of Micronesia, including Guam and Saipan in the Northern Mariana Islands, and also Palau and Yap. While we have the usual monsoon trough, still affecting Visayas, Mindanao, and Mimaropa, connecting to another shallow LPA here over the West Philippine Sea, but it's not expected to go towards the Philippine Islands. This is forecast to move towards the west-northwest, and it's likely to be moving into the coastal areas of Vietnam. And we have the first glimpse of the northeast monsoon. Although the northeast monsoon is not yet officially announced, it is likely that it will be announced in the next couple of weeks. So this is the first glimpse of the northeasterly surface wind flow, or the weak Amihan, bringing some breezy conditions across the coastal areas of Northern and Eastern Luzon, including Bicol Region, with possible isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. And yesterday, Pag-asa already announced, and last Thursday night, Pag-asa already announced the official termination of the southwest monsoon as we move into the start of the northeast monsoon, which is likely this coming November. Okay, so the heavy rainfall that was being felt across western Visayas and western Luzon, Mimaropa, when there is an enhancement of the southwest monsoon, is no longer expected to return. Okay, so we are now going into the shift of the wind system from the southwest towards the northeast monsoonal flow. Okay, so that's the latest from the GraphSat. Let's take a look at the fast animation. So there you go. The typhoon is now moving accelerating towards the northeast. Still quiet across the Philippine Islands without any potential cyclone within the next 5 to 10 days. And if we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation from windy.com around midnight this evening, you can still see some isolated thunderstorms all across the archipelago. Okay, but these are smaller ones, nothing to worry about. And then on the and as for the track of Bolan, it remains over the open waters of the Western Pacific without any threat to any landmass of the Western Pacific. And here's the global models, nothing to worry about. As for the easterlywave.com ensemble tracks from the European model, here is Bolan, and there's likely to be a possible candidate of a tropical cyclone formation here along the coastal waters of Vietnam within the next 5 days, but this is not yet sure. And we have here a Central Pacific cyclone that could move into the Western Pacific Basin, and we are going to observe this, but so far so good. No development is expected within the next 5 to 10 days. And for the wind forecast, that will be until Monday, it will be variable or come to variable winds across the Philippine Islands with some light to moderate northeasterly winds across the coastal areas of northern Luzon, and some southerly or southwesterly winds across the West Philippine Sea because of a possible low pressure system that could form in the next 3 days near the coastal areas of Vietnam. Okay, and for the rainfall accumulation forecast, most of the rainfall here, particularly over Mimaropa, Visayas, Northern and Western Mindanao, Bicol Region, some portions of Western Luzon, is mostly due to localized thunderstorms. And before we leave you, here's the latest global tropics hazards outlook from the Climate Prediction Center for the next 2 to 3 weeks. And for week 2, valid October 18 to October 24, the Philippine Islands will remain more than 20% of a tropical cyclone formation, and this is currently at 50% probability, while on week 3, valid October 25 to October 31, there might be more than 20 or 40% of a tropical cyclone formation from the West Philippine Sea up to the Western Pacific Basin, including for Philippine Islands. So this is still uncertain, the October 25 to October 31 formation, but we are going to observe this in the coming weeks. So stay tuned for more updates. Okay, so that's the latest for this weekend of October 14 to 16, and we will return next week to give you more updates on the weather. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying have a great weekend ahead. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.